so yummy.
I might do another one of these videos. I could do like Wendy's fries, because I know these are thinner and In-N-Outs are like a little bit thicker.
$35
for unlimited vegetables?
Yeah, that's why I went once.
그래.
Wait, don't work for me. Ah!
It's just onion flavoring.
How do you know it has onion or not?
You look it up.
She's delivering it like 20 minutes past the time.
Nobody knows what his voice sounds like. I know, but I'm not gonna tell you. And so today we will be communicating through pain and emojis. And we have a lot to discuss.
In the sausage, there's clear noodles in here, and oh my gosh, it's my favorite.
Hang on. I thought I was looking like Flashback Mary. I couldn't tell, and I still can't tell.
I'm so excited. I got a lobster down here cooling off. I'm gonna grab a piece of lamb real quick, dip it in my ponzu, green onion, jalapeno cilantro sauce.
And it's okay to sometimes, you know, act immature and joke around, you know?
French fries.
I love it.
Ketchup.
I love ordering YouTubers merch.
This is the thickest, longest rice cake I've ever had, you guys.
You're literally expectation and I'm reality of a mukbang. Okay, I'm sorry, I'll shut up.
Spicy.
Both have to try as hard when it comes to relationships.
This was fun to make. Easy to make, too. This would be a really, really good just appetizer. Like to make and like set it in like the middle of your dinner table.
Daniel, you want me to cut it for you?
Pickled radish?